Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced in Car Technologies, and today we have been working on this 2020 Volkswagen Transporter T6.1. So this is the new bad boy, as you can see from all the lighting and stuff like that. So on this vehicle we have installed the genuine Lowline reversing camera. So this is the camera that goes in the tailgate. It's a different version between the tailgate and the barn doors, and here it is. So you can see it just there, looking nice and neat. You have to cut through the double skin sheet of metal to be able to do it. And I'm just going to jump in the vehicle and Richard's going to fire it into reverse. So here we go. And there we go. I'll just close the door. Richard's popped it in reverse. Sorry for the beeping on these ones, you can't really do anything about it. And there you go. So you get the a live view of your vehicle, and it's fixed guidelines. You get green and the red. The red is where you should sort of stop to be able to then open your tailgate properly. You still get your optical parking display on the left hand side, and as Richard moves his hand towards the screen, you get all the different settings and things like that that come up. So if you've got a new T6.1 and you have a stereo system like this, where it's the sort of the tablet style display with nav and the app control and all that, then we can retrofit the same genuine reversing camera to your vehicle. As always, if you enjoy our videos and our retrofits that we do, make sure you subscribe. It really does help us out and gives us that sort of pleasing factor for doing all these videos, and we'll be able to do it for you. And thanks very much.